their dreams ignite, the stars collide in the canvas of night. With arms outstretched, he brings the dawn, while she weaves shadows, a serenade drawn. Oh, sun and moon, a love so bright, chasing each other through day and night, bound by their fate in the celestial play. Yet the distance between them steals moments away. As he rises, her silver veil fades in twilight's embrace, their longing cascades. He yearns to hold her, to bridge the divide, but with every sunset he bids her goodnight. Oh, sun and moon, a love so bright, chasing each other through day and night, bound by their fate in the celestial play. Yet the distance between them steals moments away. In the cosmic walls, they're forever entwined, yearning for whispers where hope's hard to find. With every sunrise, his warmth draws her near, yet in the twilight, all he feels is the sheer